Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we expose fake deals, review trending products, and help you spend your money wisely. Today, we're diving into the RetroSnap mini camera, the cute little gadget that's been going viral all over TikTok and Instagram. But the big question is it really worth your money or just another online scam? Let's find out. The RetroSnap mini camera is marketed as a compact digital camera with a vintage aesthetic. It claims to take HD photos and videos, has a retro design, and even promises instant sharing through memory card support. Sounds perfect for travel, right? Well, that's what most ads say, but we decided to dig a little deeper. According to several buyers, the camera looks cute and stylish, but the build quality feels cheap. More like a toy than a real camera. Many reviews mention that image quality is quite low, even though the ads promise HD resolution. The photos come out grainy and blurry, especially in low light. And the buttons? They often stop working after a few uses, which is a red flag for a long-term purchase. Some users even said they received a different model or no instruction manual at all. Yikes! Most of these cameras are sold on new or unknown websites with names that keep changing, a classic sign of a drop shipping scam. They lure you in with 70–80% discounts and fake reviews. When you try to contact customer support, you either get no reply or a copy-paste response. And guess what? Refunds are nearly impossible. If you just want a cute prop for photos or aesthetic videos, this camera might be okay for fun. But if you're expecting high-quality photos, durability, or value for money, it's definitely not worth it. You're better off getting a trusted mini camera from brands like Canon, Fujifilm, or Kodak. They offer similar retro looks, but with actual performance. So, my final verdict, RetroSnap mini camera, not worth buying. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, where we help you avoid online traps and spend smartly. See you in the next video, and stay safe from scams. Thank you.